This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making pan-fried mackerel with sambal belacan.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
When I was younger, I used to watch my grandma make this dish. It's easy to make and it tastes great. I'm happy to pass this recipe down to my kids and share it with all of you. Here are 2 mackerels, about 250 grams each. There's also 2 tablespoons of sambal belacan, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For the sambal belacan, you can pick some up from the supermarket or you can make it yourself. It's easy. I'll put the link to my sambal belacan recipe below. Make 2 slits across the back of the fish on either side of the dorsal fin to make a pocket. Make sure you have a very sharp knife when you do this. You don't want the knife to slip and hurt yourself. Marinate both sides of the fish and the inside liberally with salt. Grandma would marinate with salt only, but I am also using turmeric powder as well, as it helps to remove the fishy smell. Something that I learned from my Malay friends. Now fill both the pockets with sambal belacan. Set it aside to marinate for 30 minutes or so. In a hot pan, preferably non-stick, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Fry the fish for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Instead of frying, you may also grill the fish. Do not cover the pan with a glass or metal lid. A glass or metal lid traps moisture and let the condensation drip back down into the pan. This will create splatters. You will also be steaming your food instead of searing it. Use a splatter screen instead. It prevents splatters and allows the moisture from the food to evaporate. This gives you a much better crust. Pan-fried mackerel with sambal belacan. Thanks for watching Busy Daddy Cooks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. You may also want to check out some of my other quick and easy recipes.
Please subscribe to my daddy's channel.